Hey guys, Sonance here, and in this video we'll be making a selected style bass. It's the bassline from the Matthias remix from Vroom. It came out selected recently. The bass sounds something like this. So now let's dive into the preset. The preset is made of two layers. The first one is a sub-bass layer, sound like this. If you want to know how that's made, check the link in the description. So now let's dive into the selected style bass. It's this one. Select in the preset. So for the wavetables, it's gonna be both the sine wave. So select basic shapes, lower down 2 octaves, and enable oscillator B. Select basic shapes as well. Lower down the level and lower down 1 octave. Then select Xfer from B. And put it around here. So that's it for wavetables. Let's dive into the envelope 1. Lower down the sustain to around -18. And put up the release. So you get a more plucky bass. So now let's dive into the filters. Select low 24. Cut off around here for both A and B. Then go to envelope 2. Lower down to -50%. Around here. Lower the decay to around 300. And put up the release. And then send it to the cutoff. Just around here. Then we're going to put up the drive. To make it more fat. And steady more legato. And put it to always. So that way your bassline is mono. So the last thing we need to do is give it more punch. So go to envelope 3. Lower down the gate to around 20. Enable it to the chorus. Then go to the matrix. Put it one way and put it around 12. So let's make your bass more punchy. It's basically pitch envelope. So now let's dive into the effects section. First select hyperdimension. Lower down the mix of the hyper. And put in a mix of the dimension. Lower down the size a bit. Just like this. Then we're going to add some distortion. A harsh clip in this case. We'll give it a more distorted top. We're going to use envelope 2 to the drive. So that way it's more plucky. Just around here. Then add some chorus to give more wave. Just around here. Then OTT compression. Just like this. Then some delay. Give it a low cut. Put it in ping pong. Because we don't want any lows in our delays. So then there's the reverb. We don't want any lows in the reverb as well, so put in low cut as well. And lower down the mix. Just like this. And to listen to the sounds, we're gonna give it the low cut to make some room for the sub bass. Just like this. And we're gonna give it a bit more punch. So let's run envelope 2 to the gain as well. Like this. And give it a bell filter. And search for the sweet spot. I guess it's around here. So just like this. So there you have a selected style bassline. In the track it will sound something like this. So if you want to download the preset, make sure to download it below. If you like the video, please leave a like. If you want to see more, hit the subscribe button. And I see you in the next video.